Hello there! Some of you have seen my previous video in which I was developing a game, and by the way it's being played right now. So yeah, I've given up on that project soon after the video. Turns out I wanted to work on a project of such a big scale, a team of developers would need years to finish it. So I'm back here with a relatively simple idea, which I already had before that project, by the way. So this idea is a hardcore 2D roguelike with shooting mechanics. So let's begin. The first goals are to create the player who can move and to create a super simple map generation. Of course, all of this has to be done with performance in mind, and I thought Unity 2020 would support ECS fully, but it turns out it's even harder to find its packages now, so when I found them, I finally rendered the player and after a while added player movement. And then I displayed the first wall and well, here it begins. Half a week has passed already and I'm experimenting with different game styles. I've chosen the tilted top-down view and then I began messing with simple generation. The important part is to create an algorithm which will output tiles on the screen. Its internals are not really important yet, and yeah, at first all of this was done using quad polygons. Then I created a mesh generation algorithm, but turns out it's way better to use tile maps, because these are 2D objects, which are way more optimized for a 2D game, which we are creating, by the way. So yep, a lot of useless work has been done. I've also added a generation on press of a button, so we can switch between different outputs easily. And then I've tried different Unity shaders. HDRP at first, but turns out URP is way more suitable for 2D because it has a module with 2D lights and other useful stuff. But once again, turns out 2D module is not supported by the hybrid renderer, which is required, by the way, to render entities, so I've decided that it's better to use a combined workflow, so to do calculations on entities, because it's faster, and to apply them to game objects, because they look nicer. For a test, I've added a normal map to the spreadsheet so you can see that the light acts differently on different tiles. And well, here the first week ends. And if you are interested in the project, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next progress videos. Bye bye!